All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. So today we got something very special for you guys today. This property right here, this is a pocket listing. This property is not on the market just yet, but will be on the market. So I want you guys to have the first opportunity to see exactly what is coming up on the market, because that way if you are interested, you can definitely give us a call. We definitely would love the opportunity to earn your business. This is the only channel that's going to give you this type of deals that are out here. That's right. Also, if you are an agent and you have a property before it hits the market, give us a call. Let's do some collaborations. Okay, so today we are here in the city of Las Vegas on the east side of the Las Vegas Valley. This home sits here right in and nestled into this little cul-de-sac right here, as you can see. Now, there's a couple special things about this home, and this is what's going to make it very enticing. Number one, we're going to start off with the asking price, $490,000 for this home. But there's about 3 different things that are very special with this home. I'm going to get into it, okay, here. Now, this home is 2,801 square feet. It was actually originally built in 2016. It's 4 bedrooms, a loft, okay? You also have a bedroom downstairs. Another thing I want to mention, that the HOAs are about $25 a month here, which is very, very low. Now, the location is on the east side of the valley, just right off the, give me just a second here. Oh, let me lock my doors. So the location here is on the east side of the Las Vegas Valley. It's going to be right up on the hill on Sahara and what is that? Hollywood. That's right. So as you can see, this is a beautiful home, 2,800 square feet. There's a lot of things with this home, as you're going to see. You do have the pavers. I am going to be a little bit biased on this video. As you guys know, I just tell you how it is. It is what it is, right? Now, let's come along this way. But there are going to be a few things that we see, but we also want to disclose. So, number one, as you can already see, we do have solar panels, but I'm going to get into the solar panels here in just a second. There are downfalls with solar panels, and there's also positives, but the good news is there's nothing but positive with this solar panel, and I'm going to share that information with you at the end. So as you can see on this side, we do have our pressure breaker valve with the cover. You do have your I was going to say sprinkler system, but I just lost my train of thought. What is this? Spigot. So you do have a little bit cracks here, which is not a big deal. That tends to happen when it gets hot and cold. As you can see, this is a 2-car garage. The exterior of this home is fairly decent. On a scale to 1 to 10, I am going to say probably about a 8. Okay. Let's take a look on this side. Here is the side access to your home. As you can see, you do have the Alpine windows, dual pane. As you can see, the eaves are completely all stucco. But now we're going to walk inside the property. We're going to take a little bit tour here, and I'm just dropping keys and all this stuff. Give me just a second. All right, let's go inside. So in this one, you do have a code for the garage door opener. We're gonna go inside now. Now, this is what you're gonna like about this. So as we come in, you have carpets, pads. I believe on this is a 4-pound pad. Now the carpets have been carpet shampooed. Can't wait to show you guys the backyard. Now this home, during the build time, there was a couple upgrades. So we're gonna probably start back here in the beginning here. We do have the 12 by 12 tile, as you can see, 3 inches on the baseboards. And we do have 8-foot doors, 9-foot ceilings. Rudy is in the first bedroom downstairs. Let me just come through this real quick here. So you do have some blinds. As you can see, Rudy is taking photos. Now, what's great about this room is if you have a guest, they can stay here. On the first floor, you do have your coax right here. This room is not that large, but you know what? You don't want your guests to stay here. You have your standard closet. Like I said, you want them to stay here forever. The good news is this. Take a look at this. You have your 3/4 bath. Okay. On the vanity here, you have a 32-inch on the vanity. Quartz countertops. You have your standard faucet. Then you have your spray. I'm not too sure what these are called. I think they're called a bidet. Hey, what's those spray things called, Rudy?
Like the toilet things?
Yeah, the spray.
Yeah, it's a bidet.
Would that be still considered a bidet?
Let me see. Oh, no.
I mean, what
wand? Water wand?
What do you show that in your butt? What do you do?
Hey, I don't even want to touch it, man.
Yeah, so I think it just acts like more like a bidet, which is, I think, is kind of cool. Here's your 3/4 fiberglass. You've got your Sqft texture. The alarm system here, this system comes with it. However, it's not activated, so you would have to activate your own. Now, another thing right here, this was actually an upgrade for a chandelier. This is where you're going to put your dining room table, okay? Now, coming into the kitchen here, you have a nice 5 by 12-foot island. This is a quartz countertops, under-mounted sink, a dual basin. You do have your standard faucet, but look, what is this? Let's take a look. Oh, purification system, RO. Look at that, with the filtration system. Nice. Isn't that gorgeous? That's right. Now, the appliances, refrigerator, washer, and dryer is not included in the sale of this transaction, but you give me a call, I'm going to hook you up. That's right, I'm going to hook you up some way, somehow. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to do it. So as you can see, we do have the pendants here as well. You do have 42 upper cabinets with a 2-inch crown. Now, this stove is fairly brand new right here, this range, okay? Now, right here, this is an instant heat, which means the BTUs are pretty hot and it boils water pretty quickly. Now, let's take a look at the hood here. I meant to say range. Whirlpool. Then we have our pantry. Now, in this wall right here that you see, you've got this plank walls, and you have this 3 by 12, I think it is. Okay, there's something very special about this. There's a little bit history. Let me give you the back history on here. So the wall has been cladded with this plank wood, which looks really nice. But the shelves here are very special. The reason why these are special is because this was actually once caught in a fire in Hoover Dam, and this lumber was used to build the Hoover Dam. It was associated some way, somehow. So the owners of the property decided to utilize this, and look at the silk quality, the patina on this thing, right? It gives you that nice rustic look, and also you have that history behind Hoover Dam, which is great. Now here, you do see a chandelier. You would think what would go here is a kitchen table. No, technically not a kitchen table. You would actually have a ceiling fan. The good news is that you could always pre-wire from here to do a jump box for a 4-can lighting as well. Okay, I'm not going to take you out to the backyard just yet because the backyard is very special, and I want to show you that last. Now, coming here underneath the closet, or underneath the staircase, is the closet. Now, there are going to be little nicks and dings here and there, okay? Little scuff marks on the door, but this is very easy, very cosmetics that you guys can change, so don't even worry about that, okay? Now, let's go out into the garage. The garage steps down about 2 steps, okay? You have a Chamberlain garage door opener. It is a belt drive, okay? We have 8 feet or 8 foot on the doors, and we have 10-foot ceilings, so it's very high. In addition to that, as you can see, we do have some shelvings too as well. Okay, here is your irrigation system, control system. Okay, and look what you get. Storage here, but look, purification system and softener, all attached to the home. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, nice, right? Fairly brand new hot water heater. As you can see, the people that installed this was actually Focus Plumbing. Now let's go inside. Matter of fact, let's see how many gallons do we have here. This is a 50-gallon, and then that's enough to supply the house. Now let's go back inside. I'm going to take you on upstairs. Now as we come upstairs, as you can see, the owners changed the floors here. And if we take a look, I believe these floors here, as you can feel it, all right, this is luxury vinyl. And they did this one right because it's underneath the baseboards. But take a look how large this loft is. Now upstairs, you're gonna have a total of 3 bedrooms, including the primary, okay? You do have a TV outlet here. Now, pool table, the bar, okay? It's not included, but you give me a call, I'm gonna hook you up some way, somehow. Not too sure how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. So let's start off with the primary. We have 9-foot ceilings, okay? Now, this one's a little bit unique as far as the ceilings, but look how large this bedroom is. Look, so I'm gonna walk this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now let's figure out how far it is from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 12 by 18 feet. Now we have laminate flooring. You have a nice high countertop. This is Korean. This was all standard during the time of the build. Looks like the owners changed out the light bulbs for the LEDs. And as you can see, we have a fiberglass tub and shower in really good condition. I mean, look how clean this thing is. It's almost like it's never been used. And here we have our water closet. Not bad for closet. Now here looks like, okay, I thought this was broken, but it just looks like it just kind of separated a little bit. Nothing that paint can't fix. Let's come down this way. Let's see what we got here. You got an outlet here for your TV, which is really nice. Here's another bedroom. So this bedroom is going to be probably like a 10 by 10. It's not that large. This bedroom's in the front of the house here. You have your walk-in closet. Okay. Front load washer and dryer. Now, all this stuff is not included. However, if you give me a call, I'm going to hook you up some way, somehow. Give me a call. So you have your linen closet. And you have your fourth bedroom, which is a very large bedroom here. This is probably 10 by 12. Very high ceilings, 9 feet on the second floor here. You have your additional flooring, which is great. You got your cable here. Now I'm going to take you guys outside to the backyard because I'm going to show you something very special. All right, Rudy, I'm just going to go back here real quick. I'm just going to finish up this video and I'm done.
Okay.
We have a nice 6-foot slide. Then you have the sounds of the barking dog. Now I want you to take a look at this backyard here. It's very gorgeous, okay? Now, take a look at this fireplace. This is a real fireplace. Nice cover patio. Stonework. And look at this. You have a TV here. Outlet. With a fan. This is all done the right way. You have a beautiful, some sort of tree. I'm going to say like the bonsai tree. So this actually lights up. And with the app, I believe you can change the color. You have synthetic grass. Okay. And take a look at this. So the owners really enjoy the citrus. Now these animals are killing my deal right now. Okay. So these plant box here are all different citrus. You have lime, lemon, kiwi lime, I think it is. I don't remember exactly what it is. But again, it looks very beautiful, especially when you have the lights at night. And this is a very large backyard. Now, the other thing is, look at this. A bonus to this house, 2-story home, right? You have 2 condensers. Builders no longer do that. This one, you get 2 condensers. All right, look at that. Now, one thing that I'm going to share about this home that's very unique, okay? This backyard, number one, was $40,000 to do this backyard. Fully tricked out. As you can see, you have the lights, the river rock. So, this, I'm going to tell you guys, this is a great deal, okay? The number one thing about this solar panel here at this home is it's completely paid off. That's right, okay? Now, what do you pay a year to run the services with the power company and all that stuff, right? Because you get a credit back. According to the owners, roughly about $20 a month, okay? That's all you're paying for electricity. That's right. Now, guys, if you guys are actually interested in this property, give me a call, because we're thinking about putting this property on the market. And once I put this thing on the market, it's gone, okay? The average days on a home, or average days for a house on the market, is like less than 11 days, okay? You're not going to find a property like this. I guarantee 2,800 square feet for $490,000 with an HOA of $25 a month. That's right, $25 a month. And with the solar panels being paid off, look, I understand inflation, things are getting high, okay? And am I selling you guys right now on this home? Yes, I am, right? But at least I'm telling you how it is, right? Because I would never bullshit nobody, because that's not who I am. That's not my flavor. All right, so if you guys are interested in this property, let us know in the comments below. Matter of fact, give me a call. Our contact information will be in the link in the description below. Other than that, until next time, I'm Chakits Krulsawat. You be blessed.